The Reproject surface will let you modify or change the pane or the plane that you're working from. So on the Surfaces tab, I can go to Reproject Surface. So I already have to have a projected surface that's been created. So we go ahead and select that projected surface. And then from here we can reproject to the plane by going in and creating a new plane, where I could come in and call this, we'll call it plane 2, and I can do a vertical plane again, and then pick 2 different points. So if I was to pick something a little bit maybe different orientation, something like this, and again picking up a different plane, and then going to apply, it's going to reproject that surface based off of that new plane. So now when I turn off this scan here, I've got a slightly different scan based off of that new plane.